Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be doing the project unboxing of DSR The Address, which is located in Dommasandra, Bangalore, a project developed by DSR Group. And in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, internal and external both, with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan, with current construction status of the project and even about the position. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So we are here at the actual land parcel of DSR The Address, and this is the marketing office. And now about the land parcel is just behind the marketing office where the construction work of this project is going on. And now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. So this project is being constructed on total 13.67 acres of land parcel consisting of 6 towers with 3 basement ground plus 30 floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now about the location part, and this project is exactly located on Vartur Sarjapur Road in Dommasandra, Bangalore. And let me show you that basically this is the Vartur Sarjapur Road, and this road will take you towards Whitefield, and the opposite side that is just behind me you can connect to Sarjapur. And now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Dommasandra metro station in just 1.2 kilometers from the project. Forum Mall is 7 kilometers away and ORR is 13 kilometers away from the location of the project. Now coming to the amenities part, and the first one is internal amenities. All the apartment in this project is unfurnished with branded fittings and fixtures with vitrified tiles, SS sink and many more. And now about the external amenities, and this project provides you world-class amenities. Like of, as you can check out, this is the kids play area, the garden area, the multi-purpose court, jogging and walking track. And now comes the grand clubhouse, including all the indoor amenities with basketball court outside over here, the swimming pool, amphitheater and many more. Now about the parking provision, and this project provides you one type of car parking, that is the basement level. Now let's do the master plan. This is the master plan of DSR The Address. As you can see in the image, there are total of 6 elegant towers with luxurious amenities. Now let's have a look at some of the floor plan. This is the typical floor plan of Tower 3, having 4 flats, 3 lifts, 1 fire lift, 2 staircases. Here all the flats are of 4 BHK residencies. Now let's have a look at some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK, 1283 square feet. This is the unit plan of 2.5 BHK, 1608 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 2049 square feet. And this is the unit plan of 4 BHK, that is 2735 square feet super built up area. Now coming to the construction update part. So let me tell you that for tower 1, 2 and 3, the podium level work is in progress, and for tower 4, 5 and 6, 40 to 50% work is completed. Now about the position part, and the radar position of this project is by June 2029, but the target position by DSR Group is by December 2027. So everyone, this was a project unboxing of the residential project that is DSR The Address, which is located in Dommasandra, Bangalore, a project developed by DSR Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.